Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie are still fighting over their French winery, with Pitt winning the latest round. Jolie previously attempted to overturn a tentative ruling which allowed Pitt's claims that she sold her stake in Chateau Miraval without his agreement to proceed to trial. She argued her ex-husband's claim was frivolous, malicious, and part of a problematic pattern. However, court minutes from March 8 seen by Fox News Digital show that the court rejected those arguments and upheld its earlier ruling. Pitt's legal team has now been given the go-ahead to sue Jolie for breach of implied-in-fact contract and breach of quasi-contract. The Babylon actor will also be allowed to amend his claim of breach of implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing. The dispute returns to court this week to tackle technical aspects as the two continue to fight over ownership of Chateau Miraval. Pitt and Jolie were married 2 years before the actress filed for divorce in 2016, effectively ending their 12-year relationship. They became legally single in 2019. The former couple bought a controlling stake in Chateau Miraval in 2008 and spent time at the home throughout their relationship. Jolie attempted to sell her company, Nouvelle, to Tenute Del Mondo, a subsidiary of the Stoli Group, in 2021, effectively transferring her 50% ownership interest in Miraval. Pitt has fought this sale, claiming the move breached a contract between the two. Jolie pursued and then consummated the purported sale in secret, purposely keeping Pitt in the dark, and knowingly violating Pitt's contractual rights, according to court documents. Pitt is suing Jolie for breach of an implied-in-fact contract, breach of quasi-contract, pleaded in the alternative, breach of implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing, abuse of rights under Article 6-1 of the Luxembourg Civil Code, tortious interference with contractual relations, tortious interference with prospective business relations, and constructive trust. The actor is seeking damages, in an amount to be proven at trial, and has requested Jolie's sale be declared null and void. Pitt also accused the company Jolie sold to of launching a hostile takeover of Miraval. Since claiming to acquire Jolie's interest in Miraval, Scheffler has launched a hostile takeover of the wine business, destabilizing Miraval's operations and seeking access to Miraval's confidential and proprietary information for the benefit of his competing enterprise. The court documents claimed Jolie's company, Nouvelle, claimed Pitt has been the mastermind of a vindictive campaign to loot the profitable business since she first filed for divorce in 2016. Nouvelle accused Pitt of hijacking Chateau Miraval and wasting the company's assets on unnecessary renovation projects, including spending $1 million on swimming pool renovations, according to the court documents. The Girl Interrupted actress's former company also slammed Pitt's claim he built the wine business into a profitable company. Pitt is an actor, not a winemaker, the documents say. He deals in illusions, not dirt and grapes. During the years that he allegedly built the business, he filmed and appeared in dozens of movies, not to mention making countless promotional appearances, jet-setting around the world for movie premieres, and attending Hollywood parties. While he no doubt visited the vineyards to admire the work of the French laborers who actually made the business successful, Pitt is no vigneron. While the former couple's winery battle rages on, Pitt and Jolie have also yet to finalize their divorce. Pitt hasn't let that stop him from moving on. The actor is in a good place, and getting serious with Inés de Ramón, who is 27 years younger. They were first romantically linked in November 2022. The new relationship followed the end of Raymond's marriage to The Vampire Diaries star Paul Wesley. The two were married for nearly 3 years. Wesley and Ramón finalized their divorce in February, according to E! News. The former couple entered into a written agreement regarding their property and their marriage or domestic partnership right.